ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but she's pa percent ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
hakajingay batang kajing sya pendik kinongrap na lapangap hadu menta mene hakikarbi na kalyang uba Wailadmiki sila unong aikitien ka Sorkar jala ula pentikna ba ka Sorkar ka Shim khia Halor kaning kaman Habakran syakilat pathai kubor hakakat kandai tere ujemang araja arpun riu uba Wailadmiki sila ulaong katong jong ka Sorkar ka long ban pinbit pinbiang ya ka kam kaput bat hadu menta kadang yai beteng ban le ya kata Nalor kata ulaong ru hakabiadai bat ka Lapangap kisyan jing e ban Shim ya karai henry wat la kataru ka Sorkar kan nang yai beteng ban Ïakren Halor kani kamat
You see, because this is not happening for the first time. In the past also several incidents has happened. And then we have approached the Assam government, and like you under the MDA government, as you all know that we have really pushed for the border issue, and we, out of the 12 areas of difference, now 6 have been we have solved. So there's another 6 which are very sensitive. So last time also, there's if you remember during the harvest time, they were not allowed. So from the government also we pursued the matter, and we had a talk with the Assam government, and then later on then they were allowed to harvest the crops. So this time also the negotiation is on, and our DC, our SP are in close contact with each other. But the thing is here that especially from the Karbi Anglong area, especially from this Karbi Anglong District Council, now because they have been changing their statement again and again. No doubt we have come in a verbal agreement. Okay, we'll do this. But in a matter of hours, then they change again. No, we cannot do like this. So that is what we are facing the challenges right now. But thankfully now I think since all this time, because as you all know that there was a election in Assam, so that's why we have to stop the talks of on the border issue. So now I'm now because the election is over, so they have now we have a government there. So definitely from the government we'll start again the talks, the negotiation with the Assam government, and let's hope that we'll come up with a mutual agreement or a solution. From the day one when we start to resolve the border issue, when we start the talk with the negotiation with the Assam government, our commitment was to resolve it completely, all the 12 areas of difference. So that is our aim, our goal. So definitely this also our target is that we should completely solve it. But as you all know that the most difficult part is to decide and then and especially with the people living there. So it's not easy, but the government is committed and will continue to talk. But what our belief is if we sit and discuss and talk, so I think reasonable solution will definitely come.
Habatin pej bahagi kishap plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
lawan ra shapi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya